How to use ている. Step 1. Classification of verbs. 1. Continual verb. An action which can continue for a certain period is expressed with a continual verb. For example, 歩く to walk, 勉強する to study, 食べる to eat. 2. Punctual verb. An action which can be done in a moment is expressed with a punctual verb. For example, 出る to leave, 寝る to lie down, 立つ to stand up. 3. Stative verb. A state of something which is not an action is expressed with a stative verb. For example, いる to be, ある to be. Step 2. How to use ている. 1. て form of a continual verb. ている expresses an action in progress at the moment or for a certain period. 働く 働いています。Examples. 今働いています。I'm working now. 3年働いています。I have been working for 3 years. 2. て form of punctual verb. ている expresses a current state after an action was done. 着る着ています。Examples. T シャツを着ます。I'm going to put on a t-shirt. T シャツを着ました。I just put on a t-shirt. T シャツを着ています。I wear a t-shirt. Some of punctual verbs such as すく、困る and 疲れる are used in the form of ている to express a current state. お腹が空いています。I'm hungry. とても困っています。I'm in a big trouble. ちょっと疲れています。I'm a little bit tired. This is the end of lesson.